What's up, guys? What's going on? We got another fun one for you today. We're going to talk about kind of a newer crypto, but it just exploded, right? It's very popular, and it's called SWI. So we're going to talk about SWI and figure out what SWI is. Let's dive into it, yo. Understanding SWI Crypto Beginner's Guide. In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, SWI stands out as a promising player. SWI is the native token of the SWI blockchain, a layer 1 network designed to make owning digital assets simple, fast, and secure. Think of it as a high-speed highway for blockchain transactions, built to handle everything from everyday payments to complex apps without usual slowdowns. Unlike other blockchains like Ethereum, which can get clogged and expensive, SWI uses innovative tech to process thousands of transactions per second. This makes it appealing for developers and users who want Web3 benefits, like decentralized finance and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, with the ease of traditional web apps. SWI was created by Mysten Labs, a team of former Facebook engineers who worked on the Diem project. The blockchain aims to solve common pain points in crypto, such as high fees and slow speeds, by using a unique programming language called Move and a consensus mechanism that allows parallel processing. This means transactions can happen almost instantly. Even during peak times, the network is decentralized, meaning no single entity controls it, and it's secured by validators who stake SWI tokens to keep things running smoothly. SWI Crypto was launched. It launched its mainnet on May 3rd, 2023, making the official start of the network. Before that, the project raised over $300 million in funding and built hype through testnets and partnerships. The token sale happened around the same time, with early investors getting access via exchanges like Binance and OKX. Since then, SWI has grown its ecosystem rapidly, attracting apps in gaming, social media, and finance. For example, popular DeFi protocols and NFT marketplaces have built on SWI, drawing millions of users. Now let's talk about what SWI is used for. Its real-world utility. At its core, SWI powers the entire ecosystem. First, it's the gas fee token. Every transaction, like sending money or executing a smart contract, requires a tiny amount of SWI to pay for the network resources. This keeps spam away and rewards validators. Second, staking users can lock up SWI to help secure the network and earn rewards, similar to earning interest in a bank. Stakers also get a say in governance, voting on updates like protocol changes or new features. Beyond basics, SWI enables practical uses. In DeFi, it's swapped for loans or yields on platforms like SWISwap. For gaming, tokens represent in-game items that players truly own as NFTs. Even everyday apps like social networks or payment tools use SWI for seamless interactions. Overall, its utility-driven adoption, with over 10 million active wallets reported recently. Price action for SWI. It's been a roller coaster, typical of young cryptos. It debuted at around 94 cents in May of 2023, amid excitement from the mainnet launch, but like many tokens, it faced a bear market dip, hitting a 37 cents in October 2023 during broader crypto slumps. From there, SWI rebounded strongly. By early 2024. It climbed above $1 as the ecosystem expanded with new apps and partnerships. Bullish momentum continued into 2025, fueled by market recoveries and SWI tech upgrades. As of August 2025, SWI trades around $3.50 with a recent high of $3.52. This represents over 800% growth from its all-time low, but it's still below some early hype expectations. Volatility remains high. Daily swings of 5 to 10% are common, driven by news like token unlocks or global economic shifts. Overall, SWI's price has shown resilience, outperforming many peers in transactions volume growth. Looking ahead, price predictions for SWI vary based on market sentiment and adoption. Analysts use technical charts, on-chain data, and ecosystem metrics to forecast. For 2025, optimistic views see SWI reaching $7 to $11 if DeFi and gaming boom, with averages around $4 to $5. More conservative estimates peg it at $3 to $4, assuming steady growth without major bull runs. By 2026, predictions range from $5 to $9, potentially higher if SWI captures more market share from rivals like Solana. Some wild forecasts, like $100 by 2026, come from breakout patterns but seem overly ambitious. Factors influencing this include token unlocks, which could add supply pressure, regulatory changes, and broader crypto trends like Bitcoin halvings. Remember, predictions aren't guaranteed, crypto is risky, and past performance doesn't predict the future. In conclusion, SWI crypto represents the next wave of blockchain innovation, starting from its 2023 launch and building versatile utility for fees, staking, and apps. Its price has swung from around $1 to over $3, with predictions pointing to further upside. For beginners, SWI offers an entry into efficient Web3 without headaches. As ecosystem matures, it could become a staple in portfolios. Also, research and invest wisely. Crypto's potential is huge, but so are the risks. All right. Well, that was interesting learning about SWI. Hopefully you guys learned something today. Let me know in the comments if you have anything to add or any questions at all. I'd love to answer any questions if you have them. I appreciate y'all. If you guys could also check out my sponsors. I got a banner rotating at the top there showing you all the deals. There's a link down in the description. It's the simple.bio link. If you click it, you can see all the affiliate links. And there's a lot of deals, like on Coinbase, deposit $20, get $30 free. On Uphold, deposit $100, get $20 free there. You also get free crypto on deposit at BitTrue and BTCC, and you can do leverage trading on those two platforms. But be careful with leverage trading because it is risky. You can make a lot, but you can lose a lot. Also, there's a link to Ledger, where you can buy a Ledger hardware wallet, and that is what I advise you do instead of keeping your crypto on exchanges. Although I am not a financial advisor, but that is what I do. Is if I have a sizable amount of crypto, I want to use a hardware wallet. I don't want an exchange to have all the power and hold my keys. So that's why I do it that way. Anyway, there's that, and then also CoinRabbit. So if you want to get a loan on your crypto instead of selling your crypto to buy your groceries or pay your bills, whatever, you don't have to do that. You can send your crypto over as collateral to CoinRabbit. They hold it as collateral, and they'll give you a loan on your crypto. And then you still have skin in the game because it's still there for you to buy back at a later date. So check out CoinRabbit. I appreciate y'all very much. Smash up the like button, share out the video with your friends, and like I said, comment down below. Let me know if you have any questions about SWI or anything to add in the comment section. Alright guys, smash the like, subscribe. Peace out till next time.